Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make moi-moi using the moi-moi leaves. Done washing my beans and I've ensured that properly remove all the bean coats. So I'm going to rinse this now and prepare it for blending. So as you can see, I have my blended beans ready, and you can see it's very smooth. So I'm going to start by adding in all my condiments. So I'm going to start by adding in my chicken cubes, then adding salt. I'm going to put in crayfish. I'm going to get the batter together. Adding my corn beef, stir some more, and I'm putting my mackerel fish. Stir together. I'm going to add some water to loosen the batter a bit. Stir properly. So next, I'm going to put in my moi-moi sticks into already boiling water, which is boiling on medium heat. I'm going to put in the sticks. The sticks are going to serve as a base which my moi-moi is going to lay. I'm going to set in the sticks, then place in my already wrapped moi-moi. Place them in gently, then use the moi-moi leaves to cover, and cover with a pot. I'm going to let this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. My moi-moi into the pot to cook. So now, as you can see, the moi-moi is ready. So I'm not going to allow this to cool off for a few minutes. Then my moi-moi is ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you're first time here, please do well to subscribe, like, share to your friends, and you can also hit the notification bell. That's where you get first-hand notification when I post a new video. Bye guys, and see you guys in my next video.